In this video, I'm going to show you how to find your downloaded files on Telegram. So if you're having an issue downloading or locating your downloaded files, then there's actually a couple of things we can do to fix this. So first, just go and load up the Telegram application and then just open up the conversation with the files you want to download. Now, the first thing you need to do is use your finger to long press on the file you want to download and then click on select at the bottom of this page. You can then go and select all of the different files you want to download and then click on the download icon in the middle of this page. Now you can save these directly to your camera gallery, but what I like to do instead is scroll down and click on save to files. You can then click on the drop down arrow in the middle of this page and you need to make sure on my iPhone is selected. You can then press save in the top right hand side. Now once you've saved these, you can head back over to your home screen and open up your files. From the Files app, click on the arrow in the top left hand side of the screen and make sure on my iPhone is selected, so make sure you're in the same folder that you saved these files to. And right at the top of the page, you should be able to see your downloaded files. Now if this doesn't work, we can open back up Telegram, and what we're going to do instead is hold down on the video once again, and this time click on forward and click on saved messages. You then need to do the exact same thing, hold down on the video again and just click on forward and then press saved messages. You can then open up your saved messages folder and you can try saving the file directly from here. So I'm just going to hold down on the video and click on select. You can then click on the save button, scroll down and click on save to files and then just press save. So that's how you find your save files on Telegram. Let me know in the comments if you found this video helpful.